Hello, and thanks for joining us on the road. I'm your host, Stephen Holmes, and today I have the privilege of showing you a beautiful city park, city of Lewisville, Texas. City park, it's their lakefront park, and what a wonderful park it is. I've increased the speed here so we don't have to sit here and dwell on this, going through the park view, but I want you to see it is lakefront. The sunrises are unbelievably beautiful. Large pads. They do provide 30 amp and 50 amp service and clean water. They do not have sewer hookups, but there is shade available at some of the sites. The staff is somewhat friendly, and as you can see here, this is our rig. Beautiful place to set up with a beautiful location. Morning sunrise is here. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see in our old truck where we have to park it across from our pad. You cannot park on the grass, you cannot park on the road, so you have to either park across the street or at designated parking. Here comes the issue. There is no sewer hookup. The bathrooms and dogs is the issue. Dogs, we've been camping for right at 30 years now, and control of your animal, as is in all park rules, usually means it's on a leash or on a lead, as you can see we had before, and there's not an issue there. At this park, they'll write you a ticket for $168 if you're not physically there attached to your dog. Next issue here is bathrooms. Mold and mildew is out of control. Why? There's no windows. There's no ventilation whatsoever. This is actually the better of the two bathrooms that I used while we're there. The showers we're about to go into here, you can see the mold and mildew, and they're just outright out of control. I talked to park personnel. They won't let them use bleach. The cleansers, this is the best it will do. Rust on anything metal in these bathrooms is out of control. Heat wise, they were set up for wintertime. There's no windows, there's no ventilation. One bathroom, because it has no ventilation whatsoever, will run over 100 degrees at the afternoons. This one does have a couple windows that will open, and it will stay in the 80s. Anyway, click to subscribe. Thanks for joining our channel.